Hi, I would like to start my presentation by asking you a question first. Do you find it is difficult for you and me to enjoy a blue sky and clean air in Hong Kong? I think the answer to be yes. Air quality of our city has been at an unsatisfactory level persistently. Figures from roadside monitoring stations show that large amounts of acidic gases and respirable particulates is found in air. Pedestrians are more prone to respiratory diseases because the polluted air can irritate our breathing system. This makes people feel sick. Accounting for 55% of road transportation, buses contribute a lot to air pollution as the vehicles are fueled by diesel. Hence, it is a good start to enhance the air quality by lowering the amount of exhaust fumes from buses. To improve our air quality, searching a clean fuel is a solution dealing with the root of the issue. Using biofuel in buses is proposed as it is one of the most dependable renewable energies. There are several advantages of using it in buses. First, biofuel is environmental friendly, consisting of low carbon composition and being biodegradable. It produces less air pollutants than diesel during the combustion process. Negative impacts to our environment are minimized. Second, biofuel makes good use of agricultural and domestic waste. Energy can be extracted from food waste. This can utilize the intrinsic values of unwanted goods at a maximum level and contribute to sustainable development of our city. Third, biofuel is not exhaustive. Depending on this renewable energy, we can enhance our energy security and ensure the stability of energy resource in future. Hong Kong has a very good foundation for developing biofuel at buses. Government started to study the use of biofuel in motor vehicles in year 2000. We do have 3 well-established biofuel production plants and a biofuel research center in City University of Hong Kong. Then, how does the government promote the use of biofuel? They can get it done in 3 ways. First, it can increase the tax of diesel. It is reasonable for bus companies to pay a higher price for using diesel because of environmental costs. In the fuel market, the competitive power of traditional fuels declines due to the tax. Being a substitute to diesel, biofuel will be used by more bus companies if the price of diesel after tax is higher than biofuel. Second, government can provide subsidies directly to bus companies for using biofuel. This practice can cut the operational costs of adopting biofuel and make it more feasible at buses. It is highly possible that the companies to replace diesel with biofuel according to the practice in US. Third, reduction of profit tax can encourage bus companies to use biofuel in long run. If biofuel accounts for more than 30% of overall fuel consumption of the company, the government reduces the profit tax of that firm by 1%. This incentive leads to higher net profit after tax and retained earning. Corporations are willing to invest more in developing new technologies such as energy-saving engines and biofuel utilizing systems. Biofuel is a costly option to reduce the emission of exhaust fumes on roads, but it is worth for us to spend more in order to provide a nice and healthy environment for our next generation. All in all, biofuel is dependable, renewable, and environmental friendly. Encouraging the bus companies to use biofuel is a remarkable starting point for wide usage of biofuel at transportation in future. Thank you.